Welcome to the Cottages at Everlee in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. This beautiful floor plan is called the Wilton. Check out all the windows. This is the family room. I love the dark accent wall in this particular plan. And look at those staircases going up. Just love it. So this floor plan is kind of open. You have your living area that rolls into your kitchen with this beautiful big island. And then beyond that is your dining area. And hey, look at this coffee bar. I love this. Hi, you can see me in the video there. But that's where you kind of set up your coffee, a little desk, whatever worked for your family needs. And then this particular plan has the dark cabinets, which just give it a whole different ambiance. I like the contrast of the soft brass knobs. This one has an electric oven. Of course, you have all your stainless steel appliances. The island, you've got to have an island nowadays. It just makes a house work overall. And then I love the accent wall. This has a wooden accent wall. Of course, that's an upgrade. That's not standard in these homes. But you have a dining area here that is convenient to your kitchen. And it all kind of lines up with this hallway. And then back here in the back is your laundry room. Has some shelves in there. And there's a door there that goes to the back because there is an attached two-car garage. Off of the kitchen, there is a door also that leads to a back patio. And I love a little powder room. This one has some fun wallpaper in it. Hello, there we are again. The master bedroom is on the main level. It's kind of the perfect size, not too big, not too little. A pretty window looking out at the front. And then these bathrooms, what is not to like about this bathroom? Double sinks, big mirror. There is a lovely big shower right here with kind of the fun subway tile. And then this closet. This one has some custom shelving. Can't you just see all your beautiful designer shoes? And back out the master. Then we head upstairs. I love the wrought iron touches in this house. The contrast between the light flooring and the dark wrought iron just gives it a whole different feel. The upstairs of this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So there's a bathroom straight ahead there. And then we go down this hallway into a room that kind of serves as a den. This is staged as kind of a little kid's playroom. Isn't it adorable? But I love that it faces this big front window that just lets in lots of natural light. And then there is a bathroom adjacent to this room, a full bath, one of the 2 full bathrooms in the upstairs section with all the matching tile, all the beautiful finishes that make these homes just fabulous. There is another bedroom here. There's actually some people in there working, so I didn't go in there, but it's a full-size bedroom. And you go down the hall and we have another full bath. Hello again. And shower, typical bathroom. And that bathroom serves the 2 bedrooms at the end of the hallway. So there's one on each side. They're pretty standard size. You have a nice double wide closet. These homes come standard with carpet in the bedrooms and standard with hardwoods downstairs. And once again, a double wide closet. So what more is there to want? These are the cottages. This one's called the Wilton plan. They start in the mid-400,000s.